relaxing Sunday drive. Hey, buddy, you want to race?
I don't see a downside.
Hoverboarding isn't as much fun as I remember. Driver, please stop the bus. I'll be getting off here. Oh no! Stained my dress! Now no one will dance with me at the ice cream social!
Sonic, got a crisis here. Trying to make a baked Alaska, but I'm all out of eggs.
Don't worry, Ames. I'm on it. Sorry, Tails. Gotta go.
I can live with that.
Sorry, Egghead. It was an accident. If it'd make you feel better, you can splash mud on me. Now we're even.
Oh, yeah?
He covered me with mud. Why are you booing me?
Who knew all those years of being a total dillweed would rub people the wrong way?
If I want to win the hearts and minds of the people, I need to change my image. But how? Huh?
I gotta get in here. I can't believe it's finally here.
Shut up and take my money!
I assure you there are enough copies of the new Tommy Thunder video game to go around.
Don't listen to him. They're in limited supply. Push and shove. Elbows out.
These mouth breathers are really going gaga for your merch.
I'm telling you, Eggy, since he put out this video game, Tommy's image has never been hotter.
I bet a video game will improve my image, too. Imagine that. Eggman in a video game. Hot new game just released today! Finally, a video game starring a pudgy guy with a mustache.
Can I get a new controller, please?
Hey, Goober, don't you want to see the newest, coolest video game ever?
Super Plumber Brothers?
No.
Mortal Blood Sport 7?
No!
Comedy Chips Combat Golf?
No! Stash Smash! It's a side-scrolling strategy platformer full of twists, turns, and egg puns. To beat it, you need to collect all 7...
Pass.
Why?
It's so old-fashioned. Where are the cool graphics, the boss battles, the gratuitous violence?
Besides, everyone knows all the best games use motion capture.
You're living in the past, man.
I planted spy bots everywhere. Once Team Sonic arrives, I'll record their movements using my patented yoke capture technology for my new state-of-the-art Super Stash Smash. Here they come now. Oh, this is great. These are gonna be the sickest boss battles ever. Now, time for the star of the game.
Do we even retaliate? Or is he humiliated himself enough already?
I guess I could spin attack him over the horizon, but I'd kind of feel bad about it. Whatever.
I've got all I need of Team Sonic, but somehow my sweet moves don't look as cool as I'd hoped.
Maybe it's 'cause you're getting your butt kicked.
No, that's not it.
Might I suggest motion capturing a foe who could actually defeat Sonic? Then just digitally replace their image with yours.
What a brilliant idea! Glad I thought of it.
That's why you're the boss, sir.
But who do I know that stands a chance at defeating Sonic the Hedgehog? Shadow, I have a proposition for you.
Find some other pawn, Eggman. I'll never work with you again. Now get out of my sight.
The only way we're gonna get Shadow for my plan is if he thinks Sonic's been talking mad trash about him. Hey, Sonic! What do you think of Shadow the Hedgehog? I mean, ew, right?
What a random question. Why are you asking me about him? I haven't seen him in weeks.
Oh, just curious. Hey, bet you'd love to beat him up, huh?
Beat him up? Nah, never thought about it. I mean, that battle last time was a bit of a whirlwind, but he is a tough customer.
Yeah, but how about his shoes? Aren't they weird looking?
I could take him or leave him. Where are you getting these questions anyway? Just pulling them out of a bag? I'm out of here.
Oh, Shadow!
You again?
Just wanted to let you know I ran into our old pal Sonic today, and he did not have the nicest things to say about you.
Shadow? He is weak. That wind bag? Good. Never beat me. What a weak wind bag he is.
This aggression shall not stand. Sonic and his friends shall pay. Time to take out the trash.
Already on it. Then you'll go beat up Team Sonic, right?
Here's a good one. A horse walks into a bar, and the bartender says, "Hey, no animals in here!"
Knuckles, what happened?
If I had to guess, I'd say I was knocked into a wall.
Correction. Pummeled into a wall.
Shadow, what are you doing here?
Fox hunting.
I'm gonna need a 3-camera setup and a 4th giving me an overhead view. Move!
Good thing I took that shadow boxing class.
Don't worry, Nux, I got him!
Oh man, my video game's gonna be so epic!
That was almost too easy.
Well, it ain't over yet! Eat hammer, punk!
That all you got?
We're just getting started.
Ooh, that'll make for some great cutscene dialogue.
About time you showed up, slowpoke.
Shadow, what have you done?
Say goodnight, blue boy.